Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Ed here with UpNorth with the Nybergs. This weekend's project is clearing out some of these trees that have fallen over the last couple of years. I've been meaning to get them out of here, but I just couldn't get to them last year. So I've been working on them this weekend. And today's really kind of a nice day. It looks a little overcast now, but it's 64 degrees out, which is a really nice May day. It's beginning of May, and the weather is cooperating. So I thought I would work and trying to remove some of these. I'm going to get all the ones that I can, but some of these bigger stumps, I'm going to have to bring in the Kubota MX5400 to get them out. But I'm going to use a couple of chainsaws that I have. I actually started yesterday, and I used the battery chainsaw, the MSA 220, and this really did a pretty nice job. I'm able to get a lot of these limbs and a lot of the small brush out of the way with this, so I'm pretty happy with that. I will do a full review on that eventually, but I want to get a little more experience with it. And then I have my regular Stihl chainsaw here, the MS271, that will probably do the bulk of the hard work, or the bigger logs will be cut with that. So, but in any event, I also have this DR chipper that I've had for a couple of years. It's a 1650 series. I may do a review on that at some point. I've had it for a couple of years. I generally put in nothing bigger than, say, 3 inches, and it does a pretty nice job. I don't know if you can see that here. As you can see, I'm standing on the driveway, and these trees, you can see there's quite a few of them here that I have to clear out. So I decided that's my weekend project for the beginning of May. So stick around and I'll show you how I get it done. right, as you can see, we got most of that big log out of the way, or that big tree that fell, and we've got a few other ones out there as well too. It's pretty warm today. You can tell I'm a sweating machine, and I'm still getting over COVID from last year, so I don't have the stamina that I used to have last summer. So hopefully I'm starting to get it back a little bit. But in any event, we're going to finish clearing up the branches, move the cut logs over to our firewood splitting area, and we should be good for at least those 2 trees that were knocked down. I did have to use the MX5400 to move some of the stumps because one was buried underneath the other one, so I had to use the backhoe to get those untangled and out of the ground. I'll move those up. Those are pretty heavy. I'll move those up to that area as well too. I got a pretty good sized burn pit up there that I'm gonna be starting to burn some of these. But in any event, we're a relatively new channel, so if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. Also leave any comments or questions below. And until the next video, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.